This is the first time I've been back down to the Bramley-moore site since the tragic death of Michael Jones, and as you can see there's floral tributes, flags and stuff outside the ground, so may he rest in peace. Hello there, hope everyone's well. Today we've been back down at the Bramley-moore dock. It is the 3rd of September. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, and you can also like and share this video as well. Today's video is being monetized, which means it's got ads attached to it. So what we're doing for today, and today only, is any ad revenue that this video produces, I don't know what the correct word, this video ends, we're going to donate the entire amount for this video to the Michael Jones GoFundMe page. So whatever this video earns will be donated directly to that GoFundMe page, which is going to go directly to Michael's family. So if you can share this video, just share it out, and hopefully we can donate some money to the page and give him the send-off he deserves. Okay, so let's get into it. So on the east stand there, it looks like they're starting to build the reception area, the entrance. We'll show you that again when we come back round. So on the north side of the stand, it looks like it's pretty well covered now. As you can see, so yeah, it's looking okay. Didn't really want to do this video today, or no, had to come back sometime. So we're just going to fly around towards the Mersey side of the stadium now. So you can see really the north stand that is being covered quite comprehensively. The east stand actually isn't complete on the roof yet, which you'll see when we fly around in a second. We can get right round the back of the site. Not too much has changed since last time, for obvious reasons. There hasn't been much work going on. There are plenty of cranes dotted about on the site at the moment as well. So you can see them black support. I think they've always been there. So as we move on towards the east side, we're going to get quite high up so we can show you exactly how much of the roof has been completed. actual front gates are open today, so there's people on site there. Yeah, as no flying around, the lorry did actually just arrive. It was empty though, so it looked like they may have been picking something up. So we will you'll see that in a moment. So as you can see, the roof is there's still quite a lot of pieces of the roof to go in on the east side there. So you'll see now this lorry's just turning in to the bottom right of your picture, and we just get this in now. See, there's nothing on it, so I'm suspecting they're picking something up. Other than them few changes, it is kind of as you were. You still see like the size. One thing I've noticed is the site looks a lot tidier now than it has been previously. So there we go. So that is how it's looking as of today, which is the 3rd September. Again, if you can share this video, please do so. And we will be back down when it's suitable to. Okay, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you very soon.